Hey guys, this is Angie at Chicken Scratch, and today I'm sharing my holiday catalog designer series paper charts. Every time we get a new catalog, I create these charts. They're blank, and then I cut 2-inch squares of all the designer series paper. These charts are really helpful when I create projects, because if I'm looking for a paper that has cherry cobbler, I just go and grab my charts and I can see, you know, this one has cherry cobbler, but this one has real red. Okay, so Festive Farmhouse, All is Bright, Toll and Trouble, Frosted Floral, Joyous Noel, Country Lane, and then we're going to assemble the Santa's Workshop really quickly. So you can print the blank ones and cut your own squares if you'd like, or you can print the PDF color copy that I have. So I'm just going to turn that over, and that's the front side. And then this is the back side. This entire pack of paper is so cute. And you can use liquid glue. I normally do, but this is a little bit quicker just to use my snail since I'm filming. Ruh-roh. I always do that in the video. And I slide these in page protector. So if this is the first time that you've watched one of my designer series paper chart videos, I do slide these in a page protector, keep them in a notebook. And on my website, I do have a page that has like a bunch of years of the past ones. So if you're looking to print some of the previous ones, I do have all of them on one page. So you'll find a link to that on the blog post that shows the holiday catalog one. Okay, almost done. This is a cool pack of paper. Okay, 2 more. Okay, so there's the final one. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks a lot. Bye.